Hello, my name is Viharaa Jayasinghe and this is the 13th episode of my e-commerce web application project. In this video, I mainly focus on the programming part related to the product registration page, including image uploading. So as you can see, this is my product registration page. As you saw in the previous video, 12th episode, and I will discuss the programming part here. So I will show you what happens when I just click the save product button without entering or selecting any data. So they ask us to select a category. That's because of validations. We have to be specific about our product, laptops. Now they ask us to select a brand. Dell. Let's say once again they ask us for a model. Um, so So that would be my title. Let's save our product once again. They ask us to select a color. Let's select a color, so it would be white color. Uh, now they ask us for the quantity of the product. So the number of quantities is 5. Now let's save our product. Now they ask us for the price of that product. Let's save our product. Now they ask us for the delivery cost within Colombo. Now they ask us for the delivery cost out of Colombo. Now let's save our product. Now they ask us for the description of the product. So let's enter our description then. That would be my description. Let's save our product. Now they ask for our images. So let's upload our product image. I will enter only one product image. So yes, let's save our product. Now we have saved our product successfully, our new product. So let's hit OK. So let's go to our database. This is our database, and this is our database, and here is our new product, our Alienware laptop. So as you can see here, we are in the product image table, and the product ID is 20, and here is our image. Now I'll show you the coding part related to this. So this is our ad product design, and as you can see, I have used IDs for each of them, for the category as category, and for the brand as brand, and for the model as model, title as title, and you will see how I have written the validations. Because of the validations, we got the messages to enter our password, to enter our title and to select the category, brand, model, because of the validations. And for the color, I have used this, and for the quantity, I have used UTY, and for the cost item, I have used cost for the input field, and for the cost within Colombo, I have used this, and for the cost out of Colombo, this, and for the description, this. So, and for the images, this, and this. You can even upload 3 images, minimum 1 to maximum 3 images. So yes, there are separate IDs for them as well, for the 3 images. And when you click this, you can choose a file. So when you click this button, save product, it activates this function which is in the JavaScript and allows the rest of the process to continue to pass there to the server side and save it successfully. So let's go to our JavaScript, and as you know, we hold those entered selected values using those IDs, and using that product function, which is so we access them and we send it in host method to add product process.php using an Ajax object, and we have accessed them and assigned it to the subsequent variables. And as you can see, this is the relevant users email, and these are the validations. So when we come to this point, eventually we search the data of our model hash brand table using the selected model name and the brand name as our condition. As you can see, we select all of the columns of our result. So after that, we check whether the result is greater than 0. If so, we fetch as of that result, which means we select a row, and after that, from that selected row we get the ID and assign to this. Else, that means if the result is less than 0, that means that model name and the brand name is not available in the database. So we insert them to our model hash brand table. This set of lines determine the date time added of that product. This query allows the seller to insert the data of that specific product. So as you can see, we have assigned our variables as values, so we can insert there to that specific cell. Cell is the intersection of column and a row. So yes, and then we check this size of function allows us to count the number of indexes of that specific array. So this array is the it's the image array, the array that contains our images. So it counts the number of indexes of our image array. So we check whether the length of if we check whether the number of indexes are less than 3 or greater than 0. If so, we execute these. And firstly, this line represents the allowed image extensions, and furthermore, we have created this for loop, so we can check each of the image to give that image a new file name, a path, and we check the file extension and we assign that file extension with a new one like .jpg or .png or .svg, and then we insert that image. As you can see, this is the file name and this is the product ID. You insert the images of that product, and so if we have successfully inserted, selected, uploaded our data, our values, we echo success, and that success is received by the JavaScript. and when it's being received, we get to see this. That's why we saw that, because we saved. I mean, yes, we saved the product successfully, and we reload that page once again. So that's why we saw empty fields and once again default drop downs. And that would be the end of the 13th episode of my e-commerce web application project. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you.